Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm real excited to do my August post review for, well, August. I only did 2 completions unfortunately in August, and I do have, I believe, 4 WIPS that I was working on just on the side during the month of August that I do plan to work on. One specific, well, actually two, no, one specifically because I want to finish it by December, but we'll go through that in a moment. So the large painting I was able to finish was my diamonddotz, the beautiful timeless roses. This one was, as you can tell, is a partial. So I really like this canvas. It came out so pretty. And I love diamonddotz. And I remembered this canvas because I unboxed it and started it as a side project a long time ago. Unfortunately, I was able to find it. So I thought, yeah, let me do this my first completion in August. Mostly because I wanted to see if I can finish it quickly. And it's just a beautiful pair of roses. And this wonderful canvas had 30 colors. Saying it's a partial, that kind of surprised me, but I love the wonderful color effects that diamonddotz does a lot of their paintings. So I love the little pink and the peach color to the roses. Big fan of that. And yeah, I was going to put it up on the wall, but I remembered, I want to do the post review. So this one, I'll have to wait. I'll put it on my wall in one of my hallways because I need more art. Well, diamond painting art. The second completion was, of course, a mini dazzle. I stated before, whenever I finish one of my larger ones, I always try to do a mini dazzle on the side. Some of y'all wonderfully have told me that this is considered a completion, so that's why I count it as a completion. And yeah, it's just a wonderful, well, I'm not sure what it is. I want to say a float, but I love the different colors and the whipped cream on top. This is part of diamondartclub's, apologies for that. I forgot to pause. I just muted it. It's habit. So one of the planes is landing. Where I live, I'm in kind of the pathway when planes are landing. So it got really loud. So I had to mute it. Don't worry. I'll edit that long pause. Well, you're not going to see it. As I was stating, this is part of diamondartclub's mini dazzles. It's their drinks collection. So I really love how it came out. And I'm actually going to put it on my wall here in the craft room because I don't know why. I love the little cherry on it. It's so cute. I'm a big fan of it. And I'm going to put it on the side real quick. Same thing for this wonderful canvas. Oh, I really love this canvas a lot. And I really love diamonddotz. Oh, apologies. I moved away from the camera. Diamonddotz rounds. So that's why I have so much fun when I'm placing them. So those are my 2 completions. Now, time for the WIPS. Because I always have a lot of WIPS. And so this wonderful painting, they're pretty large. So I have to be careful when I turn it. This is my poor Glacial Lake. Yes, Glacial Lake. I was going to say glacier, but no, it's Glacial Lake. That I touch and go every now and then. As you can see, apologies, I tapped the microphone. It's a square diamond painting. And I've actually done an update, or apologies, I did complete a section. There we go, I'm picking up the plastic because there is some that some of the colors I did complete, but some of it I haven't, especially on this side. So that's why I put the plastic back. I decided to try to complete this whole row so I can move on to the next row and make it more even. Because, yeah, I got it out of order when I was deciding, you know what, I'm going to remove the release paper and I want to go over just using the perforated plastic. So that's why I decided, let me try to complete a row, complete another row, and voila, I'll keep using the plastic instead of switching release paper all the time. I don't know why. Sometimes I just think of the idea and I wonder, oh, you know what? I should have done that in the beginning. But it's okay. I do enjoy the release paper. That's why I want to make sure I finish it with this painting. And I really love how it's coming out. On camera, it looks so beautiful. And in person, it looks the same. The base of the Glacial Lake, the coast, is a bunch of rocks and dirt. So as you can see, it's a whole bunch of stones. But I'm wonderfully already touching the water. That's what this wonderful little dark gray area is. It's going to start going up to the lake, and then I'll eventually hit the glaciers. This one, I don't think I can complete it by the end of the year. I really wish I would, because I really wanted it up for December/January because it's ice. So it works perfect with, well, cold. And yeah, but I am so slow on squares, and I'm trying to get ahead on some of my other whips. So this one, I'll touch and go. I'll try to work on it a little bit this month, but I know I'm not going to complete it by the year. It's coming out so pretty, and I love how, as I stated, the stones are coming out. It looks really, really nice. Again, this wonderful canvas is called Glacial Lake, apologies, by Denise Dundon, and it's sold through Diamonddartclub. Big fan of that. And so let's move this one aside real quick. I always have this one rolled up. It's a little bit larger in the area where I store my paintings. I'll probably roll it up and put it back in its box so I know it'll be safe. Our wonderful canvas. Oh, y'all are gonna recognize it. It was the square canvas I decided to start on because I couldn't stop resisting seeing it. It's my Chroma painting. And let me fix it a bit so you can get a better angle. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Oh, it's pushing all the other ones off. Sorry. And there we go. So the last time I did a whip and chat that for this wonderful canvas, that's pretty much where I stopped. I tried to complete as much as the flower in this area. I just have this little section left, so I'm going to see if I can try to complete at least this spot this month. And I'll touch and go because this canvas I am using the perforated plastic. As you can see, there's no release paper on it. But I am getting a little bit faster with squares, and mostly because this canvas, I always want to work on it. But I started on a larger section, so that's why it took me a bit. But it is coming out beautifully. Oh my goodness, I just love the colors of this canvas, and I just love the whole design of it. I love the flowers. That's pretty much what I love, and the pastel colors. But yeah, I still have a long way to go, so I really want to finish it in a year, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. I don't know, stay posted on that. But I do plan to finish a couple more sections during this month because it's coming out so wonderfully, and I'm going to see how it's going because the color palette is going to start changing. In the middle, it's more light green, light blue, and some yellow, and I'll be getting closer to the young lady's face. I'm really excited about this, but oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And I love how her arm came out. Oh, I just love this painting. And the shine. The squares always have shine. And again, this wonderful canvas is called Chroma by Margaret Morales. And it's from Diamondart I really love this canvas. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's trying to drag everything with me. Sorry about that. So let me fold that a bit. And there we go. So this wonderful little canvas, I feel so bad not finishing it in August. This is one of the wonderful companies that reached out to me to do a review of the canvas. I did get to work on it, but unfortunately I didn't get to finish completing it in August. It is by the company called Feelook. And yeah, they provided me for a pet animal collaboration for August. So they sent me this canvas to just kind of do a review. And I really love these diamonds. It's a round diamond, and it's a wonderful little cat with a bonnet that has flowers on it. I love these diamonds. I was placing them. Most of the time I multi-place, so as you can see a lot of this purple. I was multi-placing it, and let me get rid of some of the light so you can see a little bit better. The glare is kind of messing it up a bit. And I think that looks a bit better. Well, there you go. I love how it's coming out, and the diamonds are really smooth. I just fell in love when I was just working on this painting, and I thought, oh my goodness, I've never worked with this company before, and I just fell in love when I was working on it. I do want to kind of complete a couple more sections because it's so pretty, and I really want this completed because I really want it on my wall. It's a beautiful little, let's see if I can get the small picture. Oh, apologies for that. Little small orange cat with the bonnet of flowers. It's so cute. And yeah, I really want to get ahead. It's just, I know if I sit down a weekend, I can't really get ahead because it's a lot of color blocking. I'm a lot faster on those. Oh, it's so cute. And I love a lot of the canvases this wonderful wonderful company has. So I am planning to buy some further down the line. But right now, I'm just happy with the little kitty cat. And this wonderful canvas is called Floral Cat. And it is by the company Feelook. And it's a smaller canvas. It's a 40 by 40 centimeters. So I know if I just work on it on a weekend, I can complete it. Yeah, but I have more paintings. Sorry about that. But I really like this one as well. Oops, sorry. And all of these wonderful canvases I'm going to put in the description below if maybe any of these are your cup of tea as well. I just love all of them. And finally, my last WIP. Originally, I was going to have 5, but I put away one of the canvases. I kind of don't remember where I put it. So I thought, yeah, let me just show 4. And if I'm able to find it, I'll work on it in September. Just so y'all can see that wonderful WIP. This one, as y'all probably notice, is my Spangler. It's my afternoon tea canvas. It's a little dragon that's steeping. Apologies, I can't talk today. Steeping their tea in the teacup, and I'm just loving how it's coming out. And this painting is one of my older diamonddartclub canvases, so that's why I'm using release paper. But yeah, it's just coming out beautifully, and I love how the teacup came out. And I did an enhancement on this one. It's on the moon. You see the little moon here on the teacup? I put some electro diamonds lining the little moon. It has a little extra sparkle on it. If I move it a bit, you can actually see it. Mostly because I love the little teacup and I love the moon. So I really want to enhance that. It's just my thing. I just really like it. But it's so beautiful just placing it. And it is a round diamond painting. So this is the canvas that I want to complete by the end of this year. Because this is my oldest WIP. Because I originally wanted to do it for a Spangler event last year. And I just fell behind. And the canvas is a little bigger than I was used to. It's a 56 by 69 centimeters. I, thought I could do it. No, I couldn't. So every now and then I love grabbing this canvas and just complete a section or two. Mostly because they're rounds. And I love working with rounds. And I'm a lot faster, as I've stated. But I just really love this canvas. Oh, it's so pretty. And I love how the green on the dragon's coming out. And I'm up to this section here. I'm already... yeah, this would be the midpoint to me for the painting. So I just have to complete the section, and a majority going further up. There's a lot of color blocking in this canvas. That's why I really like it. And I love the little wonderful pink color of the chair behind the dragon. And I'm just happy I was able to finish the teacup already. I love this blue as well. Oh, I just really love this canvas. I actually saw another diamond painter. The way they section off the plastic off, I never thought of it until I saw them do it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that. Just line it with washi tape, and then you slide your scissors over it, and voila, the extra plastic comes off smoothly. So I'm going to be doing that whenever I finish the section, a row. I'm going to move up, and that's how I am trying to change my process on how I paint, and I'm finding it a lot faster if I'm doing it by row. So I'm going to try to move forward with this, but stay tuned. There will be a post review for this. I'm just not sure what month. And oh, it's so cute. I'm just loving this painting more and more. But right now I'm working on my drills and chills canvas. Once I already finish my small one, I think I'll work on this for a bit before I move on to my larger second canvas for the event. I just really want to complete you, friend. You more than deserve it already for a while. And yeah, again, I'll put all these wonderful canvases in the description below. If maybe some of these would be a nice addition to your stash. Yep, I said that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Not gonna ask for emoji because there's just so many different paintings. But I do have a question though. If any of y'all have wonderful WIPs, which ones do you kind of, you still have that you kind of want to finish already? Let me know in the description below. I'm just curious if, there's always a ton of canvases I've never seen. And mostly I want to see, if some of y'all wonderful viewers kind of have the same taste as me. Who knows? It might inspire me to buy one of those canvases for my stash. Because, I always need more. And again, thank you for your time. And have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.